handles alright for a big old girl. Feel pretty confident on this bike.
Hey Toby.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm very good.
Okay. Right. We're busy working on the K100. We're going to put this on the Drift, the new Drift Ghost X for that matter, right over there. I'm going to put this in time lapse and watch us work on the K100. We're going to strip it down, put the new bodywork on there, and hopefully get the seat done as well. So let's get to it. Alright, there we go, we're all done. And as you would have seen from the footage from that is that we've stripped it down completely, given it a thorough clean all the way along, and replaced both the top and the bottom fairing. So that looks phenomenal from what it used to look like. And more importantly, I think the biggest impact will be around here, from all along there and here. It just looks fantastic. And it's mainly down to that man right there.
It was a team effort.
Oh, come on.
Team effort.
Team up team. And she looks fantastic. Really, really pleased. I'm stoked. So, but tomorrow we're going to go and do the seat. Yeah. Because that's all.
These bits out.
That's all torn up. So we've got a new cover.
I do like the duct tape finish. I think that adds to it, but you know.
It's very in.
It is. Yeah. It's very in. It's very now. But we're going to go back with the original.
And we also have a full set of panniers, which we're going to fit as well, which I'm really stoked about, which I'll tell you a bit more about tomorrow. All right. So until then. Catch you in a bit. Are you going for a ride?
Yeah, I'm taking the baby for a spin.
Take for a ride.
Let's do it.
Alright.
Alright. Oh right, so okay, yeah, I forgot I'm actually filming this, so here we are, K100, fresh set of fairing on, nice scrub down. Obviously Blake's already done a bit of work on the mechanics, the clutch is much better now. And actually taking the gear stop off the clutch has been a good idea, that's definitely helped. For an old girl, she handles well. Plenty of pickup. I can see why they call this the flying brick, but I like this bike. It is comfortable, it handles pretty well. What's not to like? Oh, it's a beautiful sunny day in Swinton. The thermometer was reading 30 degrees before I left, so it's definitely not a day to be wrapped up in leathers for too long. But fair play for a 32-year-old bike. This old girl is doing pretty well, really. Lovely and easy to work on today. We found that apart from a couple of very minor exceptions, every bolt and screw on this bike seems to be the same bit of hardware. So you don't need lots of different wrenches and socket sets and whatever to pull it apart. You can literally just use one screwdriver and one socket set, and that's all you need. She handles alright for a big old girl. I feel pretty confident on this bike. Considering I've only ridden it once before for a few hundred yards. It's actually very easy to ride. Riding position is, it's a bit more sporty than I'm used to. It's a bit more length forwards, but definitely not a sporty riding position. Still very comfortable. Still able to sit up and relax a bit as well when once you're moving. Tell you what, those German engineers knew what they were doing. Doesn't quite have the braking capability that I'm used to, but still. Nothing too problematic. Certainly goes, no question about that. Oh, it's so much fun! Now that was fun.